Number 12 says M is the measure of angle ABD is 100 minus 5x, DBC is 8x, and the measure of ABC equals 121. Find the value of x. Okay, so ABD is this angle, 100 minus 5x. DBC is 8x, DBC is 8x. And ABC is the whole thing, and that'll be 121. Well, we know from the angle addition, if we add these two angles together, it'll give us the whole thing. So we're going to do 100 minus 5x plus 8x equals the whole thing, which is 121. So we're going to combine like terms, so that gives us 100. Negative 5 and a positive 8 is plus 3x equals 121. Subtract 100 from both sides. 3x equals 21. Divide by 3. X equals 7. Is that what we had to find? Yes, we're done. BC is the angle bisector of angle ABD. So we're going to draw that picture first. A, B, D. BC bisects, so BC goes through the middle. That's our A. Angle ABC is 72. Since this is the angle bisector, we know that this is equal to this. We're going to find the measure of ABD, the whole thing. Well, if this is 72, we know this is 72. The whole thing, we're just going to add those two together. So 72 plus 72 equals 144. That's the answer. Number 13. 14, it says MO bisects LMN. So we're going to start the same way. L, M, N. MO goes between there. And it's a bisector, so we're going to mark those equal. LMO is 16x plus 12. LMN is the whole thing, 18x plus 66. We want to find the measure of this angle down here. Well, we know that this angle down here is the same, so we're going to put 16x plus 12 down here. Add these two together, it should equal that one. So if we add 16 and 16, that gives us 32x. 12 plus 12 is 24, so plus 24. That's these two angles added together, equals this angle. Plus 66. Now we need to solve for x. X on both sides, we need to get rid of one of them, so let's get rid of the small one. 32 minus 18 is 14x. We got plus 24 equals 66. We're going to subtract 24 from both sides. 14x equals 42. Going up over here, we have 14x equals 42. Divide by 14. X equals 3. We had to find the measure of OMN, and we know that the measure of angle OMN is equal to 16 times x, which is 3, plus 12. We do all that, that's 48 plus 12 is 60. So the measure of angle OMN is 60. Scroll. Let's look at number 15. It says D is congruent to E, and then they give us some measurements. We don't need a picture, but I'm going to draw one just to have me doing this. We've got D here. We've got E here. It says they're congruent. X plus 76 over here. And then E is 5x plus 4. Find the value of x and classify it as acute right. Classify angle E, I think it's, because they're both going to be the same, so we're going to classify it. So first of all, let's find x. So these are equal, so we're going to do x plus 76 equals 5x plus 4 solve for x. We've got x's on both sides. Let's get rid of this one. 76 equals 4x plus 4. Subtract 4 from both sides. 72 equals 4x. Those are gone. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 18. And we're looking for, we want to classify this angle as acute, right, or obtuse, so we're going to plug it in. So if we do 5 times 18 plus 4 is 94. It's 94. So the angle must be obtuse. So that would be number 15. 16, AED equals 148. AED, the whole thing is 148, so 148. AEB equals 49. AEB equals 49. Find the measure of angle 1 and the measure of angle AEC. Okay. First of all, we've got what we're given, but we know that we've got to buy congruent angles here. So if this is 49, this one is also 49. We need to find angle 1, and then we're going to have to find this angle. So first, let's find this one. We know that all three of these add up to 148. We've got 49 plus 49. We don't know this one, we're going to say x. We've got 49 plus 49 plus x. Angle plus angle plus angle equals the whole thing. We add these together, we've got 98 plus x equals 148. Subtract 98 from both sides. We got x equals 50. So x equals 50, so 50 is going to go right here. We've got x. And we want to find the measure of angle 1. That is the measure of angle 1, so measure angle 1 equals 50. And then we want to find the measure of angle A, B, C. And we're going to add those two together. So measure of angle A, B, C equals 50 plus 49 equals 99. And that's number 60. The measure of angle 1 is 4x plus 30, etc. So let's just put this right in. 4x plus 30. 2 is 15x minus 59. 3 is 6x plus 8. And find the measure of each angle. Okay. We know that these are formed by two lines, so the ones across from each other are going to be congruent. 1 is congruent to 3, 2 is congruent to 4. We're just going to put this in here. That can help us, but we know that those are going to have to be equal. So now, solve for x. We're going to do 4x plus 30 equals 6x plus 8. Solve for x. We're going to subtract the small x from both sides. It's gone. 30 is 2x plus 8. Subtract 8 from both sides. We've got 22 equals 2x. Therefore, x is 11. Okay, we want to find the measure of each angle, so we're just going to plug it in. So 4 times 11 plus 30. 44 plus 30 is 74. Now we can assume that's the same, but let's go ahead and check. 6 times 11 plus 8. 66 plus 8 is 74. Plug this in up here, so 15 times 11 minus 59. 165 minus 59 equals 106. And we know this one down here is the same. We also know that since this is a straight line, these two have to add up to 180. And so if we add these two together, we do get 180, so that's a good check. There's our answers. Measure of angle 1 equals 74. Measure of angle 2 equals 106. Angle 3 equals 74. 6, and that is 17.